In this video, you are going to learn how to fix low back pain yourself with one simple 30-second exercise that you can do every single day. Let's do it. What's up everyone, Chiropractor here. So you want to learn how to fix low back pain yourself with super simple, easy home exercises. Well, in this video, you're going to learn one home exercise that I would do every single day to ensure low back pain was a thing of the past. And it's really important for you to understand that before we get started, if you have got lower back pain that is nerve root related or disc problem related, then you need to get that checked out by your chosen medical professional. So go find a chiropractor who can help resolve those issues for you, because this specific video isn't for you. Before we jump into the single most important lower back pain exercise that you can do, why not support a growing YouTuber? Hit subscribe, tap the bell icon, stay up to date with all the videos that I create, and I will keep making them for you. So this specific video is designed for you if your lower back pain is mechanical in nature, which essentially means that muscular imbalances are actually your problem and it is not a nerve or a disc that is actually the problem that you need to have rectified. Now, a lot of people have lower back pain, but what you need to understand is a lot of lower back pain is actually a symptom of a weakness or a muscular imbalance somewhere else in the body. Very often, this is a symptom of dysfunction or imbalance coming from the hips. So if you've had a loss of mobility in your hips, your brain will allow your body to find that mobility somewhere else. Well, the hips are designed to be mobile, but what will happen is the brain allows that lower back, that lumbar region of your lower back, to become more mobile than it should be. Now, when that joint becomes more mobile, or when that lower back becomes more mobile, what actually happens is your lower back muscles, which are there to strengthen and control, will try to do just that. They're going to try to impose their control through tightening to restrict how much mobility is in your lower back, because ultimately your lower back is not designed to be a highly mobile structure. It's the job of the hips themselves. And it is this dysfunctional adaptation which is causing those muscular imbalances to your lower back. So what we're actually going to do is create strength and stability where it is most needed, which is in the hips, which is in the very lower portion of that lower back. It is the glutes that we are going to be targeting. So what we want to do is create a strong and stable lower back. And to do this, we are going to utilize the grease the groove principle of training. And what the grease the groove principle actually is doing something very simple that isn't overly taxing regularly. It is essentially a way to create a new neural network in the brain, which will allow us to better brain to muscle control that problem area. And by doing it this way, we are going to create strength, control, and stamina in the areas that we need it most. So what we're going to be doing is deriving strength from the bottom up, quite literally. We're going to be firing our glutes appropriately to allow a hyperextension movement through the lower back that can be repeated 10 to 12 times to maximize stability, control, and stamina for those lower back muscles to ensure that that lower back pain is a thing of the past. So the reverse hyperextension exercise is going to look like this. We need to find a flat surface, something like a table or a bed would work perfectly. We're then going to lay face down, flat, holding onto that surface with your hands. Now from here, we need to fire our glutes, which is the buttock muscles, and then we're going to continue that extension that is created in our lower back, hyperextending through our lower backs, and with straight legs, raise them into the air. Now, as previously stated, we're going to repeat this 10 to 12 times. We're really focusing on quality of movement. It is not about completing the movement. It is about doing well-timed, strong, stable movements which reinforce the brain to muscle connection that we're looking for in this lower back exercise. So we can then repeat this exercise throughout the day multiple times. And remember, the more times, the more repetitions for this exercise throughout the day, the better. Now, this reverse hyperextension exercise has the bonus of being very similar to a Mackenzie method technique for reducing and removing lower back pain. Now, if you haven't already seen that, you can check that out right here. Alternatively, if you haven't already done so, support me, a growing YouTuber. You can do this by hitting the like, clicking subscribe, tap on that bell icon, do all of those things. I'll see you next time.